Hi, I'm Greg, CEO of Endowus, the first digital investment advisor to help grow your CPF, SRS, and cash. Value for money premium chocolate cake. A time-tested recipe using the best ingredients such as Irish butter and Valrhona chocolate. Because we buy our ingredients in bulk, we get to share it with everyone at a lower cost.
We believe that time in the market is the most important factor for your investment success. And just like baking a cake, you need experience and time to create something simple yet sophisticated in flavor, just like your Endowus portfolio.
There are other options, but to us, they're a bit like frosted cake. Let's look at this frosted cake. They tend to be pretty sweet and try to make market predictions based on economic models. They will try to change the ingredients based on market sentiment and data.
Unfortunately, research has shown that these market timing strategies rarely succeed over the long run. More importantly, a strategy that has done well in the past may not do well in the future.
We believe that your investment strategy must stand the test of time. This means being exposed to global markets and not changing your position based on your emotions or the news. Just pick the premium chocolate cake that you can count on. Invest your CPF, SRS, and cash better to live better with Endowus.